guys.
Yes, we are here back.
Yeah, you're back.
Yes, and with another cooking video with the best recipe. And today we are preparing a stunning salad. It's a vegetable and the mashed potatoes.
Yeah, today we have guests and you're going to prepare for them.
Yeah, exactly. So, let me take you through on how I do my steak, okay?
Yeah.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Welcome.
So this is our steak, right? Very soft. So we're gonna do it a pan fried grill. Okay? Yeah.
Mashed potato. Very mashed potato.
These are our vegetables. We are offering fine dining experience. Okay? We blanch this, then later on, yeah. So small piece. Is just you cook your vegetables halfway, right? Make sure that they don't overcook. Yeah, it should be crunched like this. Yeah, we're making a sauce. Put some butter. Out of this. Butter and flour, we make a roux. Now this is a roux with flour. Yeah, this is roux. Yeah. Add low heat. For your time. With that flavor, it's like a white sauce, right? Got some black pepper sauce, soy sauce, again. Wow, perfect. Just
Our potatoes ready. See? We have to mash them.
That's our sauce. See that? That's the secret sauce. I know she's doing the mash. She's using the manual way. Never mind.
And then put milk.
Now this is our steak. This is our steak. We just have to marinate it by adding a little bit of salt on top. See, some salt. That. Give that some salt, yeah. Black pepper on both sides. Add a garlic sandwich. So in your garlic, flavor. Get your bunch of thyme. Flavor. Wow. Depends. So from there, you let it rest. Let it rest a little bit. Let it rest. Let it fry. Now, our steak has rested enough. First of all, I have to say my rested enough, you see. Yes, you see. It's bouncing. I think the juice is so juicy inside, you see. Now, I'll show you the secret of all this. See that? There.
Relax. Nunca vou sem nada.
Tempo completo. Nice.
Quando é que tu soft?
Não, very soft.